Are you tired of seeing worse and worse? Do you have farsightedness or nearsightedness? Maybe both, like presbyopia, Maybe you have strabismus or cataract or glaucoma. From time to time, you try to help your eyes. You do some exercises on the internet or from other speakers, but you don't feel any positive effect. You can't see without glasses. I can help to improve your eyesight. My name is Fedor. I'm the author of the Natural Vision Recovery System, I used to have the same problems as you, and I helped myself, and then I helped other people who asked for help. And I invite you to spend the whole weekend with benefit for your eyes for the 2-day workshop. You will gain new healthy visual habits. We call it healthy visual behavior. You will understand the deep causes of your eye problems, psychosomatic causes. And you will improve, definitely, your eyesight acuity. The key feature of my method is the holistic integrated approach. The careful healthy posture, energy practices to improve blood circulation in the eyes and in the whole body, different meditations for stress tolerance improvement, eye training to improve eyesight acuity. I'll show you exercises that you can easily integrate in your daily life. This is not just a training session, but a deep 2-day dive into the science of using your eyes.